I don't want to touch it at all. Like, I look like I'm about to be yeah, like this is good. What's going on, everybody? If you're new here, I'm ToriJae and welcome to my channel. Finally decided to go ahead and install this wig. I did the curls in another video, so if you want to go check that out, it's right before this one. So I saved the front part for you all so I can just go ahead and install it. I did cut the excess lace. That's also in another video. I'm going to be using this Ebin spray throughout the whole entire process. I'm not going to be using a ball cap method for this. I'm just going to place it right on my head. Ebin spray, it does last like a week. This wig also, I want to mention, is from Victoria's Wig collection. Come with an elastic band and also comes with an adjustable band too that I'm not going to put on because this wig actually fits my head. It's really like a one size fit all wig, and it does have a clip if you want to wear this for glueless wear. On shop, the link will be listed below. This is a HD lace frontal wig, so you can see how it already blends in with my skin. I didn't put any makeup on there, nothing like that. All you want to do is adjust the lace so it can fit properly. This is what HD look like. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the lace up like that. Just go ahead and use whatever adhesive you're using, and you want to just spray it all across the hairline. Lay it down. You can use your comb if you want to. And I'ma just continue to blow dry. So as y'all can see, it is getting a little bit, this side, I don't know what was going on with this side. This is my first time ever experienced the Ebin glue getting flaky, but we're gonna fix it, no worries. So I know that y'all see that this part right here is still lifting up. Instead of just putting it on my legs, I'm gonna just tap it with my finger. Just tap all the areas that are still lifting a little bit with your finger. You don't want to put too much product on this. I'm kind of like trying to debate whether or not I want baby hairs with this look or not. I know everybody be in the comments like, oh, it would have been better without baby hairs. But me personally, I absolutely love baby hairs. But for the sake of the video, I don't think that I'm gonna do any. So I'm gonna just go ahead and clean up this lace real quick. So if you do encounter some flakiness around the lace, all you want to do is just 70% alcohol, and you just want to dab lightly around wherever there is flakiness around the lace. Dab lightly. Lightly, and that's it. And then we're just gonna tie this up. This already looks so good, like oh, by the way, my wax stick is by She Is Bomb wax stick. My bad. I'm gonna be using to enhance the part is my Ruby Kisses, the cream foundation in level 15, but I'm gonna be using the lightest shade. You just wanna take a little bit on like a flat brush or an angle brush, whichever one you prefer. So. Let's just tie it up for like maybe 5 minutes. But I didn't really cut this hair because I was thinking about cutting it some more, making it a little bit shorter. But I'm just glad I didn't, because I like the length. It's cute. Black hair on me, I don't know. Black hair on me is just different. I love it though. It makes me look more sophisticated. It makes me look like luxury or something. I don't know. But I'm feeling it. Red with black hair, tea. And spray it on this brush. I wonder what my son is doing in there. Divine, what are you doing? I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just do on a really it's a pressure. Way that I've been living on conventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting closer. Think we need to have a son adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I'd rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside. Oh, so when you're curling, you want to curl opposite direction. You want to curl away from your face. So Baby, this look this look like scalp. Do you see this? Oh my god, you can't tell me this is not my effing scalp. Y'all, I promise y'all I did not put no makeup on this lace, baby. This is just how it is. 13 by 6 HD wig. Get into it. My hair looks so good. My hair looks so good. Like, it looks so good. For the come out, I'm going to be using Beyond the Zone Heat Spray. Spray it, give it a little bit of shine. I don't really want to comb my curls out just yet. I really want to let them fall. Some people be extra and do this part right here. You can if you want to, but I don't feel the need to make like a little So I'm gonna just leave it the way it is because I'm absolutely in love with my hair. Like I said, I'm not going to comb it out because I want the curls to fall out by themselves. And yeah, this is the final look. Quick, simple, easy. And I actually do love it without any baby hair. It's like I look so grown. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to your girl. Yeah, thank you.